There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango GT in granite clear coat. With HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, heated mirrors with fold-away, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, third row seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 908338.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.